The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day. More green, more green, more green. A couple of things to note. EOS is pumping. High five, EOS. As soon as we broke out through that $3.08 mark that I had in on the charts, we've just blasted a new one straight through to new highs in this trend, heading back towards $5, no doubt, with that being the next very strong level of resistance ahead of us. A couple of things that went on in the last little recent period, because I've been noticing a lot more positive news coming out. That positive news, we've seen a lot of positive news come out and the price hasn't reacted. Now we are seeing some price movement as well. Now, I'm not suggesting this is the bottom, not even close. I don't do that. I'm just looking at what's going on and what's being said, and I'm lining up a bit more positivity. So for a start, let me take you through some of the Bitcoin or crypto news. Elon Musk has now come out and said that Bitcoin has quite brilliant, in inverted commas, structure, and that paper money is going away. Now, this is massive in the sense of giving people legitimacy. Now, here's a man here who has basically said, look, I want a new payment system, and started PayPal. And PayPal has admittedly said what we were trying to do is actually create something like Bitcoin, something of a payment system, not just a system, but a payment methodology, I suppose is the proper way to put it. I've probably got those words wrong, but you get my point. They came out and said that Bitcoin's sort of doing something similar to what they had hoped to do. Now, Elon Musk has literally millions of people around the world that take note of him. I am one of those people. And he then, after PayPal, went and said, "Look, let's make an electric car. Let's make it sexy, cool, and fast." And he did it. Then he said, "Let's go to goddamn Mars," and he did that. And then he said, "I'm going to make a flamethrower." But my point is that this guy is somebody that nobody can really turn around and say this guy's an idiot. He's probably the most revered modern entrepreneur at the moment. I know Jeff Bezos has got to be there as he is the wealthiest man in the world, give or take each day, but Bezos was Amazon, whereas Elon Musk has transcended his skill set from industry to industry and had success, not always instant success, I will add. He's had success across many different areas. So that's a big step in the right direction. I think it's a big step. I think it would bring more interest, integrity, credibility, and we'll just have to see what goes on there. The next piece of news that I have that comes up here is Bitcoin price looks north as trading volumes hit 9-month highs. Now, trading volumes hitting 9-month highs, that is quite a good sign as well. Often people talk about breaks when markets move and on what sort of volume. Now, I don't pay too much attention to the volume side of it. I'm certainly not suggesting that it's not a worthwhile activity. Not at all. It's just it's never been something that I've really spent any time looking at. I don't trade because of volume. I trade with what I see on the chart. So, it's interesting to note, though, that the volume has picked up, and obviously by volume picking up, markets going up, then you'd have to imagine that volume is to the buy side, because markets it's supply and demand. If there are more buyers than there are sellers, the price is forced higher. It says again, the next headline, funds in short positions on Bitcoin drop to 6-month low. That means that there's less shorts out there. People have covered their shorts, which could be or part thereof, the reason for these most recent strong rallies that we have seen in Bitcoin. All right. Cypher Trace raises $15 million venture capital investment for cryptocurrency and blockchain security. Cryptocurrency adoption. Institutional investors should consider cryptocurrencies. Yes, okay. Institutional investors. Yep, that's the same thing. Elon Musk. And that's about. That's about that. One more. It says a survey. Half of millennial investors trust crypto exchanges more than stock exchanges. Well, that I would say for now might be a little bit foolish. Look, stock exchanges are very trustworthy. It's the people that are working within the movement of the stocks and the companies that may not be as trustworthy. But then again, I mean, you're saying that people, you're putting as much faith in people that are out there doing ICOs, and we know, and I don't say this to sort of throw a blanket of negativity across the ICO market space, but we know there's been some unscrupulous characters out there. But that being said, this statistic is half of millennial investors based on this, on this study. There's another statistic to that. 93% of millennial cryptocurrency traders reportedly said that they would invest more in digital currency than in traditional financial markets. Well, that doesn't surprise me, because here is one convert right here. So guys, it's been a lot of good news, and this is, by the way, what I'm reading here, this is just about story for story that I'm going through. I get sent to me each day an alert which rips a bunch of news, and it's just basically top news stories from across the different providers. And look, what I'm finding is that these are more or less nearly all positive today. It's not always like that. It's pretty random. Today, we got a lot of positive news. Today, we got green in the market. Will today be the day we close above 4,000 and take another step towards that 43.85 level? I hope you have a fantastic day. And guys, just got to tell you this again, man. Like, if you love this podcast, please share it with your friends and family. I'm trying to create more awareness, more understanding. And if you want to learn or teach or show your friends and family how to get into the space, if you want something basic and easy, all you have to go and do is register on the website. There's a little tab up under the menu that says free courses. There, they will have Bitcoin and crypto and blockchain explained to them. And if you want to learn more about trading, jump across to tradercobb.com/free tools. Have a great day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.